Hey everyone, this is my first day of 100-day challenge of solving LeetCode question. So I will be solving problem of the day and providing my thought process while solving the problem. So today's problem is design a stack with increment operations. So we have to design a stack uh, and we have to implement these three functions. We are given with a constructor in which a max size is given. So the total size of the stack will be of max size, and the first function which we have to implement is push. As we know that stack works on a principle of LIFO, last in first out. So every element which we will push will be at the top, and the first element which we have added will be at the bottom, right? And then we have pop operation. It will simply remove the topmost element and return that element, and if the stack is empty we have to return -1, right? And in the last function we have to add value up to the k bottom elements, right? From 0 to the k element, right? And if k is larger than the stack size, we have to increment all the elements. So in order to solve this problem, we will take we will declare a array of integer which will hold our value, and we will declare two more variables. First is n, which will save the size of the stack, and then we another int variable which is pointer to the topmost element in the stack, right? And in the constructor, first we will initialize our max size max size right? Then we will initialize our stack, which is array of integer of size n, right? And our top pointer will be initially, if the stack is empty, we will keep it as -1, which denotes that stack is empty. In the push operation, first we will check if array is full or not, right? For this we will check our we will check our pointer. If the pointer is not equal to n-1, which is the last which is the last index up to which we can add value to our stack, right? It is the last index. And if the top is already pointing to the last index, so that means we have the stack is full. Top denotes the topmost element in the stack, and in order to add the next element, we have to increase the pointer and then add that element to that topmost position, right? So here we have incremented the top pointer, and that at that position we have added the x. And to implement pop operation, we have to first check if stack is empty or not. So to check if stack is empty, we will simply check if top is -1, right? If top is not -1, what we will do is simply return the topmost element while decreasing the top pointer, right? It will first it will return the topmost element, then decrement the pointer. It is postfix decrement, right? Then if as described in question, we have to return -1 if stack is empty, right? Then we will simply return here. And to implement increment function, what we have given in question, that we have given we will be getting a k, which will denote how many integer we have to increment from the bottom, right? And if k is larger than the size of stack so we have to increment all the elements of the stack, right? So what we will do is take minimum of both, right? So we will take minimum of k and between minimum of k and top plus one. Top plus one denotes the size of our stack, current element in the stack, right? So now next we will do is we will loop through 0. 0 is our bottom most element, bottommost index, and we will loop till length, right? It is minimum between k and the size of array, and we will simply increment by, well, and now let's check it for the test sample test cases, if it is running or not. uh, as we can see that it is working fine for sample test cases. Now let's run it for let's submit, let's try to submit it. As we can say, it is working fine. I found this question easy one, but it is in medium section. I don't know why, but that's it. Uh, that's all for the day. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.